Hi students, today we will discuss about basicity of an acids. So number of hydrogen atoms replaceable in an acid is known as a basic acid is known as basicity of an acids. So HCl example we are taking means this is mono basic acid because replaceable hydrogen only one is there. So mono means one. Same like HNO3 we are taking for example means hydrogen is only one is there. This is also mono basic acid. For we are taking H2SO4 sulfuric acid also dibasic acid because two replaceable hydrogens is there according to formula. H2SO3 also dibasic acid, two replaceable hydrogen atoms is there like this. 3 O's and 2 hydrogen atoms replaced here also. Next one more example, H3PO4. This is a tribasic acid. So tribasic acid formula or structure of H3PO4 is P double bond O like OH OH OH. So this hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom are replaceable hydrogen atoms. How many? 3. So that only we are writing tribasic acid. Now sixth one example, H3PO3, only PO3. This is also dibasic acid. Why it is dibasic acid? Here 3 hydrogen is there, also it is a dibasic acid. Why means structure of H3PO3, P double bond O hydrogen OH OH. So 3 hydrogens H3, 3 hydrogens, 3 oxygen atoms. 3 oxygen atoms also is there. This one and this one only replaceable. How many? 2 replaceable hydrogen. This is not a replaceable hydrogen atom. This is strongly bounded with phosphorus. So that only H3PO3 is dibasic acid. Now acidity of bases. Acidity of bases. How many OH minus ions? Number of OH minus hydroxyl ions, OH minus ions replaceable. Based on that types is there. Based on that types. What is that? Mono acidic base, diacidic base, triacidic base. Like example 1, we will take NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So NaOH replaceable OH minus ion only one, that is mono acidic base. Mono acidic base. If example MgOH twice, you can take magnesium hydroxide, 2 OH minus ion replaced. So this is a diacidic base. If we can take aluminum hydroxide, so 3 OH minus ions released. This one we will call triacidic base. Triacidic base. So this is the types of bases. Okay. Next we'll discuss about salts. We'll discuss about salts. We will discuss about salts. Salts and its types of salts. So first of all, salts. How to form salt? A salt is a compound formed by the reaction of an acid. Formed by the reaction of an acid. Reaction of an acid with base. Reaction of acid with base is known as salt is formed from the acid react with base. So example of that I will give. NaOH base react with HCl, we will get NaCl plus H2O. So this is the neutralization reaction, best example for acid base reaction. So types of salts now. Types of salts. Here acidic salts types: acidic salt, salts, basic salt, neutral salt like is there. So acidic salt first we will discuss. Acidic salt, how to form? Strong acid react with weak base to form acidic salt. Next example for that, which is a strong acid. Example for acidic salts example is HCl is strong base. When HCl react with weak base, so which is weak base? It is react with weak base. Example, weak base CuOH twice, copper oxide. This is weak base. We'll get CuCl2 copper chloride for that balancing like this plus 2H2O. So this is the acidic salt. This is now acidic salt. Why it is acidic salt? Forms this salt formed from where strong acid react with weak base, we will get acidic salt. This is example. Next, basic salt. I will give for basic salt also one example. Definition: strong base react with weak acid. Strong base react with weak acid, we will get to form basic salt. Okay, acidic salt to basic salt. Now basic salt example, strong base we want, correct? Strong base is example NaOH or KOH react with weak acid. Which is weak acid? Like H2CO3 or CH3COOH. acetic acid is weak acid. So strong base weak acid product salt is basic salt. So how it will come? See, CH3COONA, sodium acetate. It is a basic salt plus water. So now this is basic salt, this is acidic salt. Like we know, when we will know which is acidic salt, which is basic salt? About all acidic salts are acids, so bases. Which acid is strong, which acid is weak, which acid is like we know means, then it is very easy. So now neutral salt, one example. Neutral salts, how it form? Strong acid react with strong base or weak acid react with weak base. Strong acid strong base combination or weak acid weak base combination also we will get neutral salt. Example, NaOH strong base plus HCl strong acid, we will get NaCl neutral salt or normal salt. normal salt plus H2O will come. Next, both weak base weak acid combination, weak base weak salt, weak base weak acid. Example, CuOH twice, already we know that is weak base, react with CH3COOH weak acid, we will get CH3COO Cu taken twice Cu plus 2H2O here 2. So now this is copper acetate. So now we see it is normal salt, because weak base weak acid, here strong acid strong base combination, strong acid strong base will give normal salt, weak acid weak base will give normal salt, so or neutral salt. This is about neutral salt, acidic salt, basic salt. Now I will give weak bases some examples, strong bases also. Strong, first acids, strong acids, HCl is strong acid, HBr also strong acid, HI also strong acid, and HNO3 also strong, H2SO4, H3PO4, like strong acids. Now strong bases, what? Strong acids, this is strong bases, NaOH, LiOH also, NaOH, LiOH and KOH, potassium hydroxide. So this is the most strong bases. Now weak acids, weak bases, weak acids, here ammonia NH3 also will come here. Okay, weak acid weak base, weak bases, AlOH thrice weak base, PbOH twice weak base, CuOH twice weak base, ZnOH taken twice weak base. Strong weak acids, all which acids comes from plants and animals, that and all weak, like H2CO3 carbonic acid and weak acid, acetic acid, CH3COOH acetic acid, HCOH formic acid, HCOOH formic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, maximum all weak acids. Okay, this is the strong acid, weak acid, strong base, weak base, about that salts. Now not only weak acid weak base combination will get neutral, otherwise strong acid strong base will get neutral, or strong acid weak base will get acidic salt. That is one theory. One more is there. Yes, one more is there. That is what I will say. Normal salt or neutral salt, normal or neutral salt will give strong acid NaOH, strong acid strong base will give, we know that Na2SO4 salt. This is we know that it is a normal salt, like H2SO4 strong acid, NaOH also strong base will get Na2SO4, right? So this is for balancing, like this we should write plus H2O. Okay, so now this is normal salt, but same combination, listen properly, see H2SO4 plus NaOH combination, we will get like this also, no, NaHSO4, sodium hydrogen sulfate. So like this also we will get, right? Now this is neutral or not? same combination H2SO4 NaOH gives Na2SO4 means that is normal salt. But here hydrogen middle is there, right? Hydrogen, replaceable hydrogen is there. So now again this compound react with acid base, base. See, this compound again react with NaOH. We will get replaceable hydrogen. This H2 and this one will form, like how this one hydrogen, this OH also will form like H2O. Remaining part you should write Na2, this one Na, this one Na2, SO4, 1 SO4. So like this also will come, no? That means this is now acidic salt, right? This is acidic salt because react with what? Base, no? So which is salt react with base, that salt is known as acidic salt. It will now, this is a neutral salt or natural salt. Understood? This is also one type. So now in a salt, hydrogen is there means replaceable hydrogen, that is definitely acidic salt. This is a best example for understanding. Okay, next basic salt, how it will come? Acidic salt means we know replaceable hydrogen between is there. Same compounds will give normal salt. Same reactants will give acidic salt also, because middle hydrogen is there means that is acidic salt. That acidic salt react with base, so that only it is acid, will give normal salt. Like acidic salts all having middle hydrogen atoms. Like basic salt, replaceable OH minus is there means that is basic salt. Like PbOH taken twice react with HCl, no? This is base, react with HCl, acid. We will get neutral salt or not? We will get, generally we will get PbCl2. Okay, means here balancing like this, PbCl2 plus H2O. How many hydrogens? H2, here 2 H2O. It is balanced equation now. 2 hydrogens here, 2 hydrogens here, total 4, 2 to here, 4 hydrogens, 2 oxygens is there, 2 oxygens. So it is balanced equation. This is a normal salt. It is a normal salt. But partially replaceable hydroxide means what we will do? Same product, same compound will give PbOH Cl plus H2O. Here 2 hydrogens is there, here 1, totally 3 hydrogens for reactant side. See properly, 3 hydrogens, 2 plus 1 3. Here also 1 hydrogen plus 2, 3 hydrogens, 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine, 1 Pb, 1 Pb is there. Now this is normal salt? No, this is basic salt. How I know? See, this salt PbOH Cl react with again HCl. Again it will be replaceable OH is there, no? Partially replaced. This compound partially replaced only one OH group, one OH minus ion, not fully. Again react with HCl, no? Acid. This is react with acid, no? Now this is it, what basic salt. This is acid. Acid react with always base only, no? That's why this is base. So now PbCl2 will come. Here 1 Cl, here 1 Cl attached to here. This hydrogen and this hydrogen and oxygen will come H2O. Okay, H2O. This Cl replaces this OH replaced by chlorine. This OH replaced by chlorine. Here 2 OHs replaced by only 1 chlorine. So that only 1 chlorine is there. Now this chlorine also replaced by, this hydroxide ion also replaced by this chlorine. Now PbCl2 will come. Now this is normal salt. Okay, understood, Amma? If compound having like CuOH Cl, PbOH Cl, and CaOH Cl, ZnOH Cl, or some other element Br. So these all are basic. These all are basic salts because they have replaceable hydroxide ion. These all react with acids, so that only these salts are called basic salts. Okay, this is basic salts. Now acidic salts, how we will find acidic acid salts? See, NaHSO4, NaHPO or NaHCO3, like ZnH or KHSO4. Like if hydrogen between is there, means that is definitely acidic salt. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe Vishwaguru tutorial. Thank you everyone. If you want any concept, please message me. I will explain that concept. Thank you everyone. Thank you.